let me educate all of you. Tama yung malaki yan, sa loob maraming bahay. Make sure na sa isang bahay nandyan siya. Because for every bahay, it should be a different search. Hindi mo pwede ma-search ang bahay na yan at maghanap ka kay Pastor Kibuloy. You would have to get another writ. Iba-iba yan. Marami yung bahay na yan. So, mag-ikot siya dyan, magkabunan kayo. By the time na matapos na napagod ka na, you will become a member of the Jesus Christ.